Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Denver. I'm a client advisor here at Parkview BMW in Toronto, Canada, and it's my goal to bring you the latest BMW news. So on my channel, you're going to find everything from product bulletin, promotions, programs from month to month on lease rates and interest rates, vehicle walkarounds underneath the vehicle, new product releases, everything like that. And I do have a goal on my channel to get to 1,000 subscribers. And I want to give back to my subscribers as they come in and support me. So I am going to be holding a giveaway contest of some free BMW merchandise. When I get to 100 subscribers, one person is going to have a chance to win this awesome backpack. When I get to 500 subscribers, one person is going to get a chance to win this amazing car cleaning kit. It has everything you need to detail and take care of your car. And then when I do get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away one of these epic M motorsports jackets. So all you have to do to enter into this contest is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Pretty simple. So after you subscribe, take a screenshot and then send it to me. You can do this a various of ways. By direct messaging on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, or you can send it to my email, which you'll find in the details below. So thank you very much for subscribing and entering in the contest. I appreciate you supporting me, and I can't wait to bring you more BMW news.